Right. I'm pretty sure that many of you who watch my channel are gamers yourself, and I'm pretty sure that at some point you thought of maybe improving your microphone quality or maybe getting into some streaming but are unsure of what to get. Do you just, get a good headset with a good microphone? Do you go all out and get something like a Blue Yeti? Well, what if you just hate having that huge thing in front of you all the time when gaming and you'd like a complete package? And most importantly, you are probably on a budget and would like to reduce costs. Well, here's where I think that I might have an interesting option for you guys, and you're listening to it right now, the Blitzwolf CM2. At time of writing, everything you see right here comes to a total of $44, and yes, that is including the pop filter, the foam dead cat, the shock mount, and the microphone stand, offering a tremendous amount of value. The microphone itself is pretty basic and nondescript, has a black metal build with only a Blitzwolf logo at the front and a USB-B port to connect it to your computer. The provided USB-B cable is about 2.7 meters long, and yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. For the notable details, let's continue by setting up the microphone. I start off by securing the table clamp to the table, then install the metal arm into the clamp and tighten it. You can stick the foam dead cat onto the microphone if you want, then install it into the shock mount by pressing these two clamps together and then sliding the microphone in. Screw the shock mount with the microphone into the mount arm, install the USB cable, and finally install the pop filter and position it about 3 to 4 fingers away from the microphone. I like how solid the table clamp is compared to the main one that I use, and the whole arm itself has a black matte finish that, looks really good, and overall, it's really sturdy. As far as sound quality goes, well, you've been hearing all of this, you've been hearing it all this while, but as far as my opinions go, I find that it actually sounds pretty good with the highs and mids sounding quite crisp to me, though I find that it does lack in bass and it definitely picks up more echo, though that may be just because it is using a cardioid pattern microphone. Also, if you're not in a very windy place, forgive me, then I'd suggest not using the dead cat foam filter altogether, as it is mostly there just to cut wind noise with it on, and it actually degrades your sound quality a little bit by muting the highs and trebles. Compared to something like my Samson C01U that has a super cardioid pattern, this microphone definitely picks up the bass a little bit better and does pick up the, it doesn't pick up the echo in the room as much. But compared to the Blitzwolf, I find that I like the Blitzwolf CM2 better for its more crisper and clearer highs. Of course, one of the ways to make the Blitzwolf CM2 sound richer and bassier is to move closer to the microphone with something like this, and it helps to give it a more podcast and intimate sound. Overall though, I quite like the Blitzwolf CM2 as a starter kit microphone of sorts. Heck, you can totally even rock this if you're fine with the sound quality, as it may just be all you need or want, and at a price point of $44, it's really not a lot to spend to get to up your microphone game. Anyway, tell me what you guys think about the sound quality. Do you like it? Do you think that this total package is a good value at $44? Sound off in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe to me if you'd like to see more, and don't forget to also hit the bell icon to get notified for any of my new videos the moment they go live. My name is Yang the Tech Rodent, and well, I realized that my last video was 4 months ago, but I've been busy. Life has been busy, and it finds a way. Well, videos find a way. I'll see you guys in the next review.